Agricultural revolution in Cholistan. The Cholistan Desert, once known for its dry and barren land, is now witnessing a new wave of agricultural development. Thanks to modern irrigation systems, tube wells, and government-backed projects, farming is no longer a dream for the people of this region. Through the efforts of agricultural experts and local farmers, new technologies such as drip irrigation and solar-powered tube wells are being introduced. These advancements are helping to conserve water while increasing crop yield. The fertile potential of Cholistan's land is now being unlocked, enabling farmers to grow crops like wheat, cotton, and vegetables that were once considered impossible here. This transformation is not only improving the economic condition of local communities, but also creating new opportunities for employment and sustainable growth. The dream of turning the desert green is becoming a reality, a true agricultural revolution in the heart of southern Punjab. As one local farmer said, "Our land was once lifeless, but today, with the blessing of water and hard work, it has begun to breathe again."